The E30's in for a gang of work. It's getting a cage, power steering, finally. Fixing some leaks, finally. And tidying up some stuff that wasn't necessarily tidied up before. But I don't really feel like doing that right now. So I'm gonna entertain you guys with some old footage that I have not released yet. This footage is from when I painted the bay, went to the dyno, and got the car back. Ice Pearl is in and going down. So Ice Pearl is going down. We weren't able to wait clear, so now we can wait clear. Ice Pearl is going down. Ice Pearl? Ice Pearl? It's going down right now. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. God damn. Yo, I'm so excited. This shit looks so nuts right now. You can barely see it though. I might have put a little too much flake in there. I don't really know how much clear is in my, or how much pearl is in my paint, like on the outside. But holy, you just gotta see it. Crazy. My God. He did great. Oh my God. You gotta see the ice pearl that you overdid. Look, I can cross off painting off the list. I can cross painting off the list, bro. I'm done painting.
Oh yeah.
I'm done with the base shape.
Oh yeah.
I'm done prepping this shit.
Oh, that's facts.
Yeah. But
yeah.
We're done here.
Yeah.
And it looks insane.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got the brake booster done. God, it's so dark in here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, bro. It looks gas.
Dude did a fucking great job.
I don't know what video this is gonna be in, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go make some TikToks of this shit. Follow me on TikTok at Yourboyreebs. Follow me on Instagram at Yourboyreebs. Okay, that's enough of that guy. Now, this is when we went and this is when we prepped and went to the dyno.
Doing the most.
We like that shit. Sue! Sue! This is my base shave turbo M50 Reeb Spec Engineering X Native Engineering X Jack Massey Tuning E30. Big Allen wrench connoisseurs here.
We like them a lot.
Yeah, we're still holding. Alright, anyway, so yeah, this is the build. Custom intercooler piping, custom radiator piping, custom everything piping. There's some stuff that needs to be wired up. I'm a little burnt out. So we're taking it somewhere. We're gonna ball out. It's okay.
You don't do that?
Nah, if you can afford it, go ahead. I can't afford it. But yeah, I'm super hyped. I think it'll do well. We are shooting for 420 horse on pump gas. There's about 10 gallons of 91 in there. I would really like to just run it on E85, but we'll see. I can't believe this is happening.
It started up last night.
It started up last night. We can probably start it again right now.
Do it. Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Yeah, do it.
No. Some finishing touches. We're probably gonna put it on the ground right now and load it up on the trailer in a little bit. We did a bolt check. Everything's tight.
Yeah, but oil leak.
Yeah, we got some oil leaks. No more coolant leaks. We had some crazy coolant leaks that we fixed, which is fire. Yeah, a couple oil leaks that we've been chasing down for a while, but they should be fine. They're not nearly as bad as they used to be. Just need a little alignment. I don't know what's going on, or like what to say really. I just been working like non-stop on this. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Bolt check. Oh, oil leaks. They're still leaking. Still leaking. Oil leaks.
Then why'd you check that shit? Coolant leaks?
Coolant leaks. Fire. Freeze plug. Done. Tune. Oh.
Wow.
On the way. This was made. Exhaust was made. Ethanol content. I got lazy. This didn't happen. This happened. This is about to happen. Maybe. Jacks are coming out of the rear.
It's going down right now.
And it's gonna come down. of things going on. Let's just push it. But holy shit.
It sounds really fucking
Oh, that was
good.
sick.
It sounds really good.
Oh my god. Not really.
Why not?
Oh, it's not tuned.
Okay. Oh, like it's just dumping fuel?
Yeah, like it's just running like shit.
Okay. Yeah.
It's alright. It's fine. Let's just push it.
Let's load it up.
Just put the camera down.
We loaded up. How you feeling, Reebs?
Insane. Honestly, I feel really good. That's all I have to say, bro. Fuck y'all. Y'all not ready for this shit. We about to pop out so crazy. It's been like a year and 6 months or some crazy shit of work. An endless amount of money. I can't even count how much time I
Bro, talk to him, bro.
Bro, look. This was my turbo kit. If I was to build this car again, I'd do a lot different, but I think the first try, this is pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. But the expectation is never zero. This is kind of the game we play. How do you guys feel? You guys have watched it happen.
Bro, that turbo spooled up, bro.
I was gonna drive it on the trailer and I was like, fuck no, dude. I heard it. I heard it. I was like, dude, I'm gonna hear that regularly.
Bro, that bitch was angry sounding too, bro.
Anyways.
I'm pissed might not get to see Bruno do a dyno run.
Yeah, we'll see when he tunes it. Maybe he'll let us know.
We'll get videos.
We'll get videos. We'll see what happens.
Insane.
Insane. Put it down for a little bit. Let's figure this out first. Let's talk business.
Okay.
I feel like it's weird, but I'm on the better. What do you think? How loud is it? I'm just playing. I know it's fucking loud.
Very loud.
Oh my god.
What do you feel?
Insane. Where's Dad? Is he here? No.
He is somewhere around.
Oh my god.
Windsor, what do you think?
I love it.
She's back, baby.
I love it.
Mhm.
I love it.
Yes, sir.
This is the brother's accomplishment.
This is my
Big
accomplishment,
brothers.
bro. This is my built in that garage where that mistake is right now. Holy crap, dude.
Did you drive it from?
No, fuck no. No, I came on the trailer. I want to drive it. Dude, it's... Did you hear the...
Put it right there. We can do the control.
Hey, use a book. Use a book.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is good. Yeah? Yeah, you like it? Your hard work paid off? Oh, the neighbors are there. So yeah, and now we're here. I mean, we're kind of all caught up. Dyno video, cool. getting the bay painted, cool. Now I have some work to do. Power steering is happening. Oil leaks are getting fixed. Cage is happening. Yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm super happy with where the car is at and how it's been for the last few months. And I'm really excited to make it better. No power steering is terrible. It makes the car feel so big and clunky, and it's not. It should feel small and nimble and just light, and it feels heavy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. There will be more videos on the maintenance and other sides of things, but I really wanted to push these videos out just to put them out. I was just sitting on the footage. Big things happening, big things coming soon. This car will be at the meet on June 16th. I promise. If not, then it probably got towed. Stay safe, drive safe, and take care of your loved ones. And be careful. The feds listening.
Try to write a song, same old story.